Hello, my friends. I've got Pete here. You ready? Snuggle in, grab a pillow, grab a blanket, gather around. We're going to read Pete. Can you show me Pete? Pete. Pete the cat. Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. You guys know it. Sing along. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 3. Let's trace it. 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Pete K, buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My 3 groovy buttons. My 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 2. Let's trace it. 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go, and he kept singing his song. My 2 groovy buttons. My 2 groovy buttons. Look at the ice cream truck. It's blue. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1. Let's trace it. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Pete didn't cry. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept singing his song. My 1 groovy button. My 1 groovy button. Look, it looks like Pete's at the beach. He's going surfing. Look at his red car. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. Let's trace it. 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and do you know what he saw? His belly button! And he kept singing his song. Look, there's his belly button. Sorry. Look, there's his belly button. Where's your belly button? Did you find it? It's all good. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. How many buttons? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at all those buttons. The end. Guys, I miss you so much. I hope you guys are having fun and learning lots with Mom and Dad. And hopefully we'll see you guys soon. Love you.